everybody, welcome to another episode of coding. And last time we did the logo and the top bar. Okay, so let's go here down, and here we have three new codes that we're gonna look at today. I wrote these codes for you. They'll change the second part of the web page. So let's go and see what I wrote here. So we have height, we have width, we have background color, we have border, margin left, margin top. And here we have hashtag main section paragraph instead of just main section. We have font size, color, display, margin left, margin right, word break. This main section P will change the text. And down here we have hashtag art. This is gonna be the picture in the main section. Okay, now I'll show you where this art ID is in my index. Let's go here, and it is here in the main section image ID equal art. And I put a banner here. And I changed this here for a different picture named the banner. And let's go back here. The size of the banner is float, margin left, margin top, max width, max height, 100, 100. Margin top is 3 pixels. And margin left is 0%, and float left. Float left over here, it means the picture is going to be floating on the left side. Okay, let's go up here and pause the video and write the code down. Make sure to double check so there's no mistakes, and save it. Adjust the numbers based on your picture and the text size you like. Now let's go save it here. I already have it saved. Okay, now let's go see the results here. Let's open my index 2, and we got the top bar one, and now down here we got our main section one that I showed you today in our video. The text color is changed to black. You can change the color to however you like. And I made mine a little bit bigger. My picture is my banner over here that I placed down. I like this better because this light blue is not smashed with the red like it was before, but now it's black. I changed the color. Next time we're gonna do some cool stuff, so stay tuned. See you next time. Coding Nathan Games out. Subscribe.